Good evening, this is the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. The US dollar slid to a 12-week low in trading today. At the end of trading, the greenback was being sold for $132.54, the lowest it's been since July 19. The Canadian dollar was being sold for $102.11. Sterling cost $175.56, while the euro now goes for $153.60. The price of oil rose by 37 cents today. Oil for delivery in November now cost $71.24. Despite rising today, the price is down more than 4% this week. Stock market trading ended today with the JC index gaining more than 1,324 points to close at more than 381,000 points. The junior market index also gained, going up by 29 points. The winners today numbered 30. They included Barita Investments, Caribbean Cream, Elite Diagnostics, Honeybun, Lasco Manufacturing, Paramount Trading, Sagicor Group, and the Wysinco Group. The losing numbered 23 and included 1834 Investments, Carreras, Grace Kennedy, Jamaican Teas, Pulse Investments, Salada Foods, and Cygnus Credit Investments. That's the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.